In iOS 18, Apple has launched a redesigned Control Center. The best part about the revamped Control Center is the ability to let you add, remove icons, and even adjust the size of icons. On top of all, you can also add multiple pages to your iPhone Control Center. If that's exactly what you are looking for, let me show you how it's done the quick way. So to get started, first up you have to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to bring up the Control Center. And then you have to tap on the plus button at the top left corner of the screen. And then you have to tap on Add a Control button at the bottom. And then you have to select the preferred control and then place it at the right spot. Notably, you can also use the handle to adjust the size of each icon. And once you have designed your Control Center, tap on a space to get out of the editing mode and you are all set. It's worth pointing out that iOS creates a new Control Center page only when the existing page is half full or doesn't have enough space to accommodate a new control. Since there is no restriction at all, you can make as many Control Center pages as you need, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily add multiple Control Center pages in iOS 18 or later. If you found this video helpful, do like, consider it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye bye.